Descending from an Arizona pioneer family and generations of Arizona Wildcats, Pamela Turbeville graduated in 1972 with double majors in family and consumer sciences and education. With graduate degrees in science and business, she embarked on a career in the telecommunications, chemical, and manufacturing industries, making her mark as a senior executive for major corporations. Pamela retired as CEO of Navistar Financial Corporation, where she and her team oversaw an $8 billion portfolio. Following retirement, she became an entrepreneur in the biotech industry. She is the co-founder and CEO of medical technology company i-calQ, which uses smartphone technology to deliver affordable point-of-care diagnostics to improve patient care. Pam has served on the boards of many organizations. She was one of the founding members of the John and Doris Norton School of Family and Consumer Sciences Advisory Board and continues as an active and engaged member. She has served on the UA Foundation Board of Trustees and is a current member of their National Leadership Council. Pam has a long history of philanthropy at the university, supporting the Norton School of Family and Consumer Sciences and other areas within the College of Agriculture and Life Sciences. She also supported the Arizona Alumni Association, the College of Engineering, the College of Social and Behavioral Sciences, Steele Children's Research Center, and the university's Office of Student Affairs. Intelligent, passionate, thoughtful, and very proud of her family's legacy as Wildcats, Pamela Turbeville promotes the ideals of the University of Arizona across the globe. The Arizona Alumni Association is pleased to name her the 2020-2021 Alumna of the Year for the College of Agriculture and Life Sciences.